Hello children, welcome to your maths class. Today we are going to start something different topic. It's very interesting. You might be playing inside your classroom like a game that you choose one number, add this thing, minus this thing, multiply with this thing. That means when a complicated thing you are going to solve in a simple way, that we are going to discuss how to solve or how to simplify a complicated thing into a very easy way, and you will get a single answer. That thing we will discuss. That today is our topic. We are going to discuss your simplification topic. So this simplification, it's coming from this word simplify, to simplify in an easy way. That is your simplification. For that we have to follow some rule. There is one rule that is called your this is one rule, DEMAS rule. Today we will discuss about this rule. What is this? Let me tell you first. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Okay, so these are four operations. Do you remember or forgot, children? We have already discussed all these operations in our previous class. So now we are going to discuss when we are using all these operations in one problem. So it will make a problem that how to simplify at a time all the operations. Yes. So how we will make it simple, that we are going to discuss according to this rule. Rule means what? First D is written means first we have to simplify this division part. Then you will go for multiplication. Then you will follow addition. At last you have to operate this subtraction operation. Okay. So let's take an example. We can understand by this. I am writing here inside DEMAS. Okay. So based upon this rule, how we can solve the problem. Suppose one example I am writing here, 100 minus 8 plus 15 multiplied by 2. This is one example. So here you can see 100 minus 8 plus 15 into divide. Means how many operations we are using in one problem? One is subtraction, one is addition, one is multiplication. That means at a time three operation we are going to solve. So according to this rule, if we will follow this rule, we have to apply first division, but in this problem division operation is not there. Then what you will do? You will come forward to next operation, multiplication. Your multiplication part is here. So in first step you have to solve this part, means multiplication part. So what you will write? Rest things you will write as it is, 100 minus 8 plus these things you will simplify, 15 into 2. The value we will put here. So what operation we have used? Multiplication. Solve in this step multiplication, and we have written the value over here. Okay. Then come to next step. How many operations are there now? One is subtraction, one is addition. So according to rule we have to follow addition first. After multiplication addition is coming. So we will add first C. First it is given subtraction, then addition. So first you will write this 100. Means no symbol written, means this is a positive number. Means 100 is your plus. So this plus will come to near 100. Means both the positive numbers you have written in one place, and keep this minus things separate. Okay. So what you will do? 100 plus 30 addition operation you will write 130. So what you have solved here? Add the value. You have written the value is 130 and write minus. So what you will do? At last your this operation you will solve it. 130 minus 8. How much it's coming? 122, and this is your answer. Okay. So what you got? The value in a single value, and we have solved in a easy method. If we'll systematically if we'll operate, then there will be no confusion. We can get the answer very easily. I am showing another example. (105) multiplied by 14 divided by 7 plus 6 minus 1. So see children, here how many operations are there? Multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, all the operations now we are using in this problem. Okay. So we have to follow according to rule, systematically we have to solve it. So first operation according to rule, that is your division. So division, this is here 14 divided by 7. We are going to solve this division only. Only you will, this step, these things you will solve. Rest all you will write as it is. What you will write? 105 multiplied by, what is the value? 14 divided by 7. How much? It's 2. Yes or no? And rest all you will write as it is. 6 plus 6 minus 1. Okay. So this part is over now. Division part is over. We got the value. Next step is our multiplication. Your multiplication operation is there. Yes. So in this step we are going to multiply 105 multiplied by 2. So you have to mention what operation you are following in this step. So what is the value after multiplying this? 210. Okay. Then rest all write as it is, minus 1. Clear? Then third one is what operation? Addition. So addition value is here, mention here addition. 210 plus 6, the value is 216 and minus 1. Here it is clearly given subtraction at last, this last operation, and minus it, the value 215. It is your correct answer. Clear? So don't be confused when all the operations are given. So you have to follow in systematic way. First division, then multiplication, then addition. At last you will operate subtraction and you will get a single value. We have simplified. This is a complicated thing. Don't be confused that so many operations are there. How to solve this? Okay, don't be panic. You have to follow this rule. Then easily you can get the answer. Okay. So this is all about your DMAS rule. Next class, another rule we are going to discuss in which we can operate more operations.